Hi, hello everybody. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm not going to show you real estate. Today I'm going to talk to you about real estate. And the first thing I'm going to talk about today in this podcast kind of deal is why there is no real estate bubbles in Medellin and why there is no stock bubbles, real estate bubbles in Colombia, and why that is impossible to happen. I'm actually going to give you 5 really good reasons for that. Stay till the end so you listen to them all. Now, the first one, the first, the first reason why there is no real estate bubble, there won't be a real estate bubble in Medellin or in Colombia in general, is the banking system. That's very important for you guys to know. There's no junk lending in Colombia. That thing that doesn't exist here though. And interest rates have been historically really high. Very high. So that's one number. That's one reason. Okay. Another reason is that banks. This is actually with this one also. The banking system here won't lend you money if you don't have any money. So then again, no chunk lending. So zero down. No, that doesn't exist here. You gotta put 30% down. Okay, that's one reason. The other reason is real estate here is an investment vehicle, and it's an investment vehicle because of reason number three. There's no stock market in Colombia. There's really no stock market. Since there is no stock market in Colombia, people don't invest in the stock market. The stock market is fairly small. It's only controlled pretty much by 3-4 industrial groups. So there is no stock market, and therefore real estate is an investment vehicle. It's an investment vehicle that grows annually from 4 to 6% annually. Right now, we're seeing the 10%. That's just a blip in the market. That's basic Peter Lynch, basic Warren Buffett. Markets correct themselves, so that's another reason though. The historically the prices in Colombia have increased, like I said before, about 6% annually. Like I said, right now we're seeing the 10%. That's just one thing that is happening right now. So it's always that price increase. There's always that price increase. So I already talked to you. Banking system won't lend you money if you don't have money, and there's no junk lending. Real estate is an investment vehicle because there's no stock market. There's a steady growth in property prices year over year, and prices will always increase. I have properties in our portfolio that have been with us 1, 2, 3, 4 years, maybe even more. They haven't sold, and they keep on increasing their prices. That only happens here in Colombia. So now, right now, with what's going on in the world, well, it's a macro deal that, we're seeing a lot of inflation and so on with rents and so on. But no, there's no stock market bubbles in Colombia. You can be 100% sure that won't happen here in Colombia. It won't happen here. So I could actually sign that. And now the reason why I'm doing this video today is because somebody actually said to me, a customer that I actually I was talking to. I sent him a few properties, and his response to me, Tom, you know what? I'm actually waiting for the market to crash. And I'm like, whoa, why are you even saying that? So I actually told him all this. I actually sent him all this messages explaining him why there is no stock market, why a stock market crashing, a bubble in Colombia will be very difficult to happen or impossible to happen. And I thought, well, please elaborate. Please tell me why there's a stock market. There will be a real estate market crash in Colombia. And he said, well, he sent me a link of a very reputable finance magazine, finance website, explaining or saying, or there's an article in that magazine, in that website, talking about the slowdown in the real estate and the new developments in Colombia. Yes, that is true. the new developments in Colombia have actually slowed down sales by approximately like 20-25%. That is a lot. Like, I mean, I know new developers are hurting. Now, there's two reasons why that has happened. Two reasons. Now, little parenthesis. Regular sales, like resales, are doing just fine. They're not suffering at all. They're not suffering. Okay, so older houses, already built properties have been selling normal, like very very normal. Another thing, we don't have up and downs in the we never have up and downs in the market because of interest rates. Okay, so now the reason why there is a slowdown with new developers is very simple. This is a macro deal. It's happening worldwide. Interest rates. Interest rates right now for new developers are way too high. And the same deal for new buyers. And new buyers are the ones that buy new developments. So those two things combined have actually hurt the new developments a lot. Are they going to correct themselves? Yes, for sure, for sure. That's a given. Historically, in Colombia, that has always happened. Um, I actually had it a little bit wrong. I had some information wrong. I was actually talking to Luz Estela, which is actually a realtor here in Medellin that has been working for 40 years in the market, 40 plus years. She's like, I mean, she knows the ins and outs of everything. And I was having this conversation with her, and I was telling her that actually I asked her if or in their conversation, I mentioned to her that the only time in Colombia when prices actually went down was mid-90s because of drug violence. It didn't happen. What she said to me, Tom, no, no, that didn't happen. What happened is that there was a slowdown in the market. That's it. But it lasted like a year and a half. And that's it. But no, historically, no real estate bubbles. Historically, the prices are going to go up. Historically, interest rates are very high. Historically, no real estate bubble. So be certain, not a problem. You can buy here in Medellin. You can buy in Colombia, not a problem. No real estate bubbles. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Goodbye for now. See ya. Bye bye.